or 50 years in Dubai. By now, I think it should be 70, if not 60. That shows you how this continuity should grow. But with you, with your help, with your assistance, we will all grow. And at that time, the old generation and the new generation are competing who goes behind the other. The old man says to his son, "You first." And the son says, "No, Dad, you first." And I hope this will not take us to the story of the Nawab who kept saying, "Pehle aap," and the train has departed. Anyway, thank you very, very much for coming tonight. I'm sure that the occasion is worth considering, and I look forward to really reading the book and knowing how the new generation can help promote more relationships, more understanding, and get the two countries together. I'm sure that our new generation also would like to read that book and see what their old fathers have done. Thank you all for coming, and hope you enjoy your evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for a guest of honor, Mr. H.E. Mirza Al Saiq. Thank you. Pehle aap. Still can't get over that. All right, I would now like to invite the patron of the book, Mr. Ram Baksani, to come on stage and say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Ram Baksani.
Excellent. Your Excellency Abdul Rahman Al Ghurair, Your Excellency Mirza Al Saiq, and Your Excellency our Ambassador, Mr. Sitaram. I must compliment Miraj for having robed 25 budding young entrepreneurs, and including some of the beautiful girls also, to put them in such an informative book. I have always been thinking that whenever a young entrepreneur tries to attempt any real activity, what he hears from his parents, "Beta, जो करना है वो करो, पूरी आज़ादी है, लेकिन जो करो हमसे पूछ के करो." And all these 25 youngsters having agreed to come forward and be part of the book is really commendable. Pacesetter 1, Pacesetter 2, Trendsetter, Achiever, and now Generation Next. I feel Miraj Rizvi must be murmuring inside. A quote, "My books are water, and those of the great geniuses are wine, but everybody drinks water." So that is the importance of this book, produced by equally young lady. I think Miraj Rizvi herself should have been Generation Next. India is, friends, India is indeed a young country. By that mean a country where there is a youth majority. Miraj has done a befitting justice to our youth by projecting that category in her latest publication. History written about them will be remembered and referred in perpetuity. I congratulate all who have found the place in the book. But again, as Mark Twain has said, a successful book is not made of what is in it, but what is left out of it. Miraj has obviously tried to do pearl fishing and have caught few pearls, 25 to be specific, which she could put hands on. There would be many unexplored pearls. Inshallah, they will find their place in the next book. The writing history is a continuous process, and Miraj has been playing historian's role very well. Well done, Miraj. Congratulations, and congratulations all of you for having entered the maiden book which has been produced by Miraj. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come, the time that I've been waiting for, the time that you've been waiting for quite some time. Well, I would like to invite Mr. Bharat Bhai Shah on the stage. I would also like to request Mr. H.E. Abdul Rahman Saif Al Gurer, Mr. H.E. Mirza Al Saik, our Honorable Indian Ambassador, Mr. T.P. Sitaram, Miraj, the publisher, Miraj Rizvi, and of course, Mr. Ram Baksani. I will have to again trouble you to please invite you on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the release of the book, Gen Next Indians. Can we have the claps louder? Thank you so much. You are a wonderful audience. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Your Excellencies, please listen to me, sir. Your Excellencies and friends, इंडियन माइथोलॉजी में एक किंग हो गए, उसका नाम था भगीरथ। भगीरथ ने बहुत मेहनत करके गंगा को नीचे लाया और 60,000 फार्मर्स उसी पे नप सके। ये जो उसको इसलिए कोई गजब काम करते उसको बोलते हैं भगीरथ काम, इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं हरक्यूलियन टास्क। मैंने 5 बुक, आप समझिए, इनकी कसमोकस, इनकी जिदोजिहाद, इनकी मेहनत, इनकी तकलीफ़ें, इनका पेन, इनकी व्यथा, इनकी कथा, उनका मैं साक्षी हूँ। लेकिन एक चीज़ मैंने देखा कि नाउ इट इज़ ईजी टू सेल एयर कंडीशंस टू एस्किमो, बट इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू हैव 5 बुक्स। कितने लोग को मिलना, कितने लोग को अर्जी करना, टाइम मिले नहीं मिले, जो मिराज ने किया है। तो मैं तो समझता हूँ कि नाउ शी शुड चेंज हर जॉब टू ए मार्केटिंग, बिकॉज अ लेडी हु कैन सेल एयर कंडीशनर टू एस्किमो, it is easy but not, it is very difficult. So she should change now her job to a marketing, and we should today declare a doctorate of PhD into the marketing. Thank you, Miraj. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Thank you so much. तालियां, सब कह रहे हैं तालियां बजाएं. They are prompting me from behind. तालियां, तालियां. That's a difficult thing to do, unwrapping a book, isn't it? Just stare it. Can we hear it from you again? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I would like to request our Indian Honorable Ambassador, Mr. T.P. Sitaram and Mehraj Rizvi to remain on the dais. We are going to kickstart giving the trophies to the achievers that I'm looking at for quite some time, and we'll know them better. And ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we honor these 25 achievers right here, right now. Thank you. Thank you for making my job easy. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I have a long list of these achievers who are sitting right in front of me, and it gives me great honor to invite on stage our first Gen Next achiever, Adil Rizwan Sajan. I can see his family is here to support him. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Adil Rizwan Sajan. Remember to clap for the achiever, because you know, aapka number bhi aayega. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Adil Rizwan Sajan. I would now like to invite Mr. Aditya Rajaram to please come on stage. Mr. Aditya Rajaram. You know, there's been a very bad accident that was reported on Sheikh Zayed Road, and a lot of people stuck in traffic there, so he's not here. Can we put your hands together for Mr. Aditya Rajaram. Next up on my list is Mr. Akbar Moiddin. Put your hands together for Mr. Akbar Moiddin. Let's be sweet to him. Let's be sweet to all the achievers. Thank you. Congratulations. Next up on my list is Kamal Vachani. Mr. Kamal Vachani. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Kamal Vachani. Congratulations. I would now like to invite Mr. Anand Kapoor to please come and take his trophy. He's not here? I'm sure he's stuck in traffic somewhere. So let's just clap for him. Thank you. Next up on my list is Mr. Ashish Punjabi. Put your hands together for Mr. Ashish Punjabi. The claps should continue. Thank you. Congratulations. Next up on my list is Mr. Abdul Wahab. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Abdul Wahab. These achievers have made their mark on their own, success on their own terms. Let's clap for the 25 achievers again. Let's remind them that we are very proud of them. Thank you. Next up on my list is a lady who is not just beautiful but very talented. Put your hands together for Anya Agarwal. Congratulations, Anya. I would now like to invite Mr. Binay R. Shetty to come on stage. He's not here. Traffic again. So let's just, give a huge round of applause. Thank you. Mr. Hamid Salahuddin is next. He's the next achiever on my list. Put your hands together for Mr. Hamid Salahuddin. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Make them feel special. All the achievers, it is their special day indeed. Next up on my list is a beautiful lady, Javeria Rashid from Events Unlimited. Put your hands together for Javeria Rashid. Thank you, Javeria. Thank you so much for your claps. I would now like to invite Mr. John Paul Alucas, Executive Director, Joy Alucas Group. He's not here? He's not here. Can anybody collect the trophy on his behalf? Yes, we have somebody collecting the trophy on his behalf. So let's hear it from you. Put your hands together for Mr. John Paul Alucas. Thank you. I would now like to invite Kiran Chhabria, Jumbo Electronics Company Limited. Kiran Chhabria, put your hands together for this lady. Is she here? Or stuck in traffic? So many people stuck in traffic. What's happening to Dubai? Can somebody collect the trophy on her behalf? Anybody? Okay, so let's just clap for her. Thank you. I would now like to invite Mariam Salahuddin from Star International Schools. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mariam Salahuddin. Make her feel special. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Next up on my list is Mr. Mahesh Shahadapuri from Nikai Group. Put your hands together for Mahesh Shahadapuri. Let's make him feel special when he gets the trophy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I would now like to invite Mithika Gokuldas from Falcon Chemicals to come on stage and be honored. Put your hands together for Mithika Gokuldas. I see all the young achievers had made